Barcelona have a lot to do in this second half, and much of it needs to be better than they've shown so far. Edging ever closer to goal here. And the promise of something happening is over. And it's on now. I'm sure he thought he'd scored there. Great goalkeeping. Can he finish? That's been cleared away. Jose Jimenez. Ronaldo. On to Suarez. Valverde. Now with Anthony. That's the goalkeepers. Might have done better than they have with that. Suarez. Valverde. Now with Anthony. They're in here, but he can't do anything to keep that one out. You can see the frustration, tinged with fury at not getting more protection from those in front. And away we go again at 3-1 now. Samuele Ricci. Edging ever closer to goal here. Just to get back in it, and it's in. And it really is happening for them now. They're right back in the contest.
Well, here you can see it again. Good run, great strength, and a composed finish under pressure. That's a top-class goal.
And the game kicks off with the score now 3-2. Rabiot. On to Pulisic. And it's cleared away from goal. Suarez. Anthony. Real opportunity. Oh, chances don't come much better. They really should be taken.
Well, he strikes it with power, but not with accuracy. I think that's a big miss.
Federico Valverde. Luis Suarez. Well, it has to be perfectly stripped from that distance, and it wasn't.
Not a good decision from him. That's a waste of possession there.
Kikayo Tomori. Samuele Ricci. Good work from Barcelona to win back possession. Pass weighted just right to square things up. And away, they've got it clear.
Well, what an atmosphere inside this stadium. But can Barcelona find a moment of inspiration to get themselves back into this game? Time's not on their side, though.
Five minutes to go. And it's pinched, read his mind there. Luka Modric. Time ticking away, but there's still belief here. And it's not missed by that much.
Well, it's certainly a decent effort, but not quite good enough.
And the referee brings the game to a close. A game that has not gone Barcelona's way.
Today just wasn't good enough. They lacked a cutting edge, they played too slowly, and they made many mistakes at the back. It was really disappointing.